Everyone, after the conversation of the lesson number one here on page number 11, there is one chart of nation and nationality chart means how you will address as per the nation to the people, right? So one where is there a nation and one where is there a nationality. So first nation is Indian, and if the person is masculine, if the or feminine, so how you will address them? Like we call Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi. So how you will address them as per their gender, right? So we are going to discuss about this one. You will get here one figure if you're not having book. Otherwise, if you have the book, so you can continue with me. Okay. So if the person is masculine, so you will use inder, er ending. As you know, er means he, right? And indrin for feminine. You also can say like you can use here the Hindi sense like Malik, Malkin. You have learned this one, na? Just like that. About Frankreich. Frankreich means France. And for feminine gender, you will use here Franzoe. Sorry, for masculine gender, you will use here Franzoe and Franzoin for feminine one. Just like America, America. Spelling is Amerika, America, as you can get here. But if you have to use this one, American, if you have to say American for that guy who belong from America, so you will use Amerikaner, Amerikaner, and for feminine one, Amerikanerin. Okay. About Japan, Japan, it could be pronounced Japan. And if the person is masculine, so you will use Japaner. And if she is feminine, so you will use Japnerin. It's like the Swiss country के बारे में सुना होगा आपने. So Schweizer und Schweizerin. About Austriche means Austria. It is nearby Germany. Austriche means Austria. Austrischer und Austricherin. Austrischer und Austricherin. About Spain, Spanian. It could be pronounced. Name of the country is Spanian, and if you have to use for masculine, so you will use Spaniere und Spanierin. Okay. After this one, the wiederholung. Hort und Sprachnach. As you know, Horen means to speak. Horen means to listen. Hort und Sprachnach. Listen and repeat that. So I will just repeat all the words which is important here given here. So you have to repeat at your home. Hallo, and as well as you have to try to get the meaning of the word. Heiße, Deutschland, Inder, Indrin, Komst, Spanier, Julia, America, Woher, Aus, Frankreich, Austricherin, Emily, English, Ish, Rustisch, the Schweiz, Franzoe. I hope you all know the meaning of the word. If you don't know, so you have to search, right? You can get this meaning in your last previous book as well. Exercise number two, bring in ordnung, right? So jumble letter is there of a word that you have to correct. So for example, I will tell you first word is Deutschland, right? Just like that, you have to combine the letters and you have to try to get the appropriate answer. Okay. Exercise number three, bildet Satze. Bilden means to build, frame, right? Satze means sentence. Okay. So bildet Satze. Aus ich Amerika komme, right? So first you have to write there the personal pronoun. After the personal pronoun will take verb, conjugated form of the verb. So what personal pronoun is there? Ich. And after the personal pronoun comma, which conjugated form is there? So comma, इसके साथ is will always is will take e ending, that is what ich comma. And after that preposition. So what is preposition? Preposition is there aus. So ich comma aus. America is the name of the country, like that. Ist Name Julia mine. So possessive pronoun has been used here. So mine, Name, ist Julia is the right. So like that you can complete. I know. Come on the next one. Exercise number 4. Hort wir bin ich. As we have learned about the nation and nationality art, so these all exercises depend on that only. If you have learned properly, if you understand, so easily you can understand. Easily you can complete this one as well, right? So ich komme aus Frankreich. I come from France. Ich wohne in der Martinstraße. So if someone is come from France and he live in Martinstraße, so Martinstraße is in Germany, but he has come from France. So who is he? So he will answer Ich bin Franzoe because he is a masculine, right? Second one, ich komme aus Indien, ich wohne in der Karlstraße. So if I come from India and I live in Karlstraße, which is in Germany, so I will say myself that I am Indian only. So you will write ich bin Inder or Inderin, whatever as per your gender. Third one, ich komme aus Deutschland, ich wohne in der Zillowstraße, right? So I come from Germany, I am from Germany and I live in Zillow Street. So ich bin Inder oder ich bin Deutsche oder Deutscher, right? It's like that. The last one, ich komme aus Amerika, ich wohne in Stunden name. So ich bin ein Amerikaner oder Amerikanerin. Like that you have to answer. Okay, after this one, there is exercise number 5. Write the information wie im Beispiel. Write the information how in example. So first we will go with the example. So example is that there is one figure and this guy is giving the information about them. So ich heiße Ali. So he called Ali. Ich heiße Ali. I called Ali. Ich komme aus Dubai. So I come from Dubai. Ich wohne in Deutschland. I live in Germany. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. So like that, you have to imagine some words, about something. You can change the name of the country and different words. So you can fill this one as well. After this one, the important exercise is going on, but we will discuss in a next video because it is going lengthy. Thank you.